G'day guys, you've asked for it, so here it is. Well, one of you asked for it. It's going to be an update on the landscaping vlog. It has been 6 months since I last showed you what we've done with the landscaping, so let's just get right into it. That beautiful grass we laid looks like crap. It's had lawn grubs through it, it's died a couple of times, and it's just, we're going to go fake. So that's the next big thing for the backyard. Otherwise, it's pretty much done. Check out these beautiful, beautiful white rocks all the way down the baby water. So yeah, got a couple of pots in there, doing a succulent little garden. And another major thing that I've done is I've painted the fence all the way around, all the way, all the way, all the way, even the front. That looks different here too. We're going to do pavers here. Nah, let's stuff it. We're going to continue the spider. No, what's left of a spider. We continue the ag from the front of the house all the way now down to the end. It's just easier to deal with pavers. And we continue those same rocks down here. And we've got a gate put in, so we've got a gate at the front now. Rocks down here, again painted the fence at the front. Now the one spot that the turf is doing good is actually the front. Look at that. Look how green that is. It's amazing. And that's it. That is all that's new with the landscaping. So fake grass to come in the back, and then we might do fake at the front. We're also thinking of doing like a little garden. So this area just here, we're going to do like a little garden here, like a little hedge or something. I'm going to put some pines here, pencil pines. So make it a little bit cottagey. Red dog. Alright, well that's the update. Probably a quick one. Thanks for watching, and see you again in another 6 months. Hopefully, when we do the next big thing, I'll try and film it this time. Sweet. Oh wait, one other thing I've got to do. So if we're going to be getting fake grass put in the back, what we need to do, where's the sunlight here? Here. If we're going to put fake grass in the back, what we need to do is I'm going to have to dig drainage, just like put the Aggie pipe down the side. We're going to dig some trenches, put in the pipes in the back here, put some Aggie pipes in, no drainage issues then. Top notch. Okay, and that's it.